Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Bybit. First, open up Bybit and tap on Assets, then tap on Deposit and tap on Deposit Crypto. Search for Ton on the search bar, then tap on it. Choose the network as Ton Network and tap on Copy Address. Now open up Tonkeeper and tap on Send and paste here the copied wallet address. Now open up Bybit again and copy the address tag from here and paste the address tag here, then tap on Continue. Type in the amount of crypto you want to send and then tap on Continue. Once you tap on Continue, you will need to confirm your transaction, and once you confirm it, within a few minutes, your crypto will be transferred to your Bybit account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.